Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about strategy number 11 when buying and selling at the same time. So in this strategy, it's very similar to the last one of purchasing new construction, but this one is going to be you buy a lot where you're going to tear down the home and build something new, which we don't see too many of those around here. So this gives you a lot of control over the timing and handling the process. There still is the challenge of purchasing, but sometimes you can get a lot, and if it's a lower price, you can put more money down or maybe all cash and have a better shot at getting it. The challenge may be then, selling your home if you need to do that to purchase and for the new construction. You may need to rent in between, but it's another way to find something where it may not be quite as competitive or you would actually have a much stronger offer. So anyway, hope that helped, and be ready for strategy number 12 coming up, the last one, in my next episode. This is Ben Larson with Engel and Völkers South Bay. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.